Why does your scanner show the P0202 engine code? What does it mean? P0202 is a diagnostic trouble code for Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 2. This engine code indicates that this fault can be caused by a defective fuel injector, damaged or loose wiring, a short circuit, or, in rarer cases, an issue with the engine control unit or fuel pump. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel injector issues, wiring problems, loose or corroded connections, ECM or PCM malfunction, faulty fuel pressure regulator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Opel, and Volkswagen, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.